Okay, here we go. We're going to page 649 in your Go Math book. Okay, today's lesson is lesson 11.5. We are going to measure area. Okay, so here we go. The essential question, how can you find the area of a plane figure? A plane means it's only a two-dimensional figure. Okay, we're talking about polygons here. Learning objective. You will use square tiles to measure, then count unit squares to find the areas of figures. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we did a lot of this on the last lesson. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and do this one today. Okay. Now, first off, this first page is all about using a square tile. We don't have square tiles right now, so I'm going to skip this, okay? But the only thing I want you to notice is instead of saying square inches or square units, we are now saying square inches. We are now putting an actual measure to it, okay? It's going to be about the same thing. It's just going to put the actual measure. All right, let's go to this. Let's go down to the bottom here. Hopefully it'll be a short lesson since we're skipping so much, but I think you'll be able to get it, all right? Count to find the area of the figure, okay? Right here, this square says is 1 square centimeter. So all we're doing is finding out how many of those squares are in this figure. We're finding the area of that figure. So all you have to do is just count like we did yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There, so the area is 17 square centimeters. That's all we're doing. We're just counting the squares, okay? Because we're just finding how much is in that area. Okay, so count to find the area of the figure. Each unit square is 1 square centimeter. Like I said, we are now putting actual measures with it. Okay, so how many do you see here? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 unit squares in the figure. So the area is 10 square centimeters. Okay? Count to find the area of a figure. Each unit square is 1 square centimeter. Now, all of them aren't going to say centimeter. Sometimes it'll say inch. Maybe it'll say miles. Okay, we have to look at that measure now. All we're going to do is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The area is 20 square centimeters. Same here. That's all we're going to do is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 square centimeters. Now on your own, see, we're already moving through here quickly. We're going to count to find the area of the figure. Each unit square is 1 square inch. There's an inch on each side of those squares. Okay, so let's just count each one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 square inches. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 square inches. Okay, let's go ahead and do a couple of these problems. I know we've bypassed a few of them, but this has been an easy lesson, so I want to go through some of them. Okay, use a diagram. Danny is placing tiles on the floor of an office lobby. Each tile is 1 square meter. The diagram shows the lobby. What is the area of the lobby? Well, they're saying that each of these squares is 1 square meter. It's telling you right here. So all we do is count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 square. Make sure you put the square. You can put SQ if you want to, square meters. Okay, don't forget to put that square in there. It's not just 12 meters, that's not the length of it. You're talking about the area is talking about squares. You have to include the square. 7, Angie is painting a space shuttle mural on a wall. Each section is 1 square foot. The diagram shows the unfinished mural. How many more square feet has Angie painted than not painted on her mural? Okay, so first we have to count. How many did she paint? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. She painted 16. How many did she not paint? 1, 2. Okay, how many more square feet has Angie painted than not painted? So 14. Okay, 14 squared. Okay. You measure the area of a tabletop with blue unit squares and green unit squares. Which unit square will give you a greater number of square units for the area? Okay, now look at these two. You have the blue and you have the green. If you have the same area, same tabletop, which square would take up more? This would be big, right? It would be a lot bigger. So you would need more of the green ones to fill up the tabletop. Okay, so they would give you the greater number. The green is the greater number. Okay, because you would have to use more of those to fill up that tabletop. Okay, all right. How many squares need to be added to this figure so that it has the same area as a square with a side length of 5 units? Okay, all right. Now we got to think. How many squares need to be added to this figure so that it has the same area as a square with a side length of 5 units? Well, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we need to add a couple here, don't we? Well, that's only 1, 2, 3. We got to add 2 more rows, don't we? To make the square. So how many squares need to be added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squares. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The width's 5. Okay, it is a square. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to try to do the homework on your own. If you have any questions, please go through the rabbit video also or contact me. Okay, thank you.